LLM block in Ozobot Editor. The LLM block lets students send a prompt to an AI model and receive a response directly inside their program. First, you write a prompt inside the LLM block. When the code runs, the AI generates a response based on that prompt. That response can be printed to the console, sent to the terminal, or displayed on RE's screen. From there, students can store the response, compare it, or use it inside their code to control what happens next. Depending on the goal, students can choose different output types, like text, a number, or true and false, and use that response in their logic. Ozobot also includes output types designed for robotics, like color and direction. That means the AI's response can directly control movement, lighting, or behavior. With the LLM block, students aren't just asking AI questions. They're building programs that respond to AI. Explore how AI and coding work together in Ozobot Classroom.